Hi, today in this video I'm reviewing the monitor mount. So this is the mount which is shown here. So as you can see, this monitor doesn't have any VESA screws. So if you can see, so there are no screws for VESA. So in order to mount that kind of stuff, you need to use this kind of thing. And I'm using Fleximount for that, and you can do stuff like that. And as you can see, it's now much lower as compared to the previous one. And this is the actual mount. So you will have this kind of 4 bars which will be screw up inside that VESA mount. So VESA mount is like in this region only. So then when you screw it up, and you can just hook anything which supports that much length. So I hope you get some idea how we can use a monitor to mount which don't have VESA mount. Thank you. Bye.